The forest holds its breath. A sudden gust of wind whispers through the leaves, a warning of the coming storm. The first drops fall, each one a tiny world reflecting the sky. Then, the downpour, the world outside becomes a blur of roaring rain and flashes of light. A small capuchin monkey, fur-soaked and shivering, finds refuge under a broadleaf. Sparrows huddle together in a tree crevice, seeking warmth in their tiny community. But even in the deluge, life stirs. A brilliant poison dart frog emerges, its colors electric against the wet green. A snail traces a slow, glistening path over the moss, and earthworms surface to breathe in the damp air. Beneath a towering tree, a white-tailed deer stands perfectly still, a picture of pure serenity amidst the chaos. Tucked away in a dry hollow, a red squirrel sleeps soundly, safe from the storm. As quickly as it began, the rain softens to a drizzle, then ceases. Sunlight pierces the canopy, setting the forest ablaze with renewed color. A spider's web, now a necklace of diamonds, glistens in the light. A monarch butterfly takes flight, dancing through the freshly washed air. The storm has passed, leaving behind a world reborn. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of the storm, please like and subscribe for more moments from the natural world.